fine. I will start with the next topic today. Okay.
So, sir,
So
that configuration
yeah, yes.
that I'm trying to do is not present in the system.
Okay, so you're trying to do that. It is not present system. The reason why, because I'll tell you the reason why it is not present. Some other person in your particular server, he has changed the server settings.
So
Okay,
now
so
should
that
we
is
have?
the reason it's not coming. So what I will do it. Okay, I will fix it. I'll fix it. Okay, I will take the next topic today. After that, I'll fix it. Hmm.
And one more
Okay.
thing that for selecting the tax code while in this T code, there is uh, for it is a non-defined input tags were there. Output tags is
Correct.
correct, but non-defined input tags were showing to me in that
Correct.
configuration, that screenshot I have sent to you.
Correct. Correct. I got to know that I will solve it later. What is your query? Is there a solve later? Okay. Now I will take the next topic. So after the next topic is done, then I will go and solve that one. You can do like that. Okay. And I will show you why it is coming like that and what has happened. I'll show you. Okay. Some other person, other user, not you actually, in your server, some of the person has deleted the standard settings from the system. Okay, we don't know who is that, but some other person has done that. That is the reason when you are doing, you are facing that error actually. Hmm. So I will tell you that we can resolve that one. Okay. So meanwhile, I started the next topic now. Hmm. Okay, I will come back to your error and we can resolve that later. Okay, so we can do all at a time once. So last configuration, what I told you about this thing, what you call this thing. I told you last topic basically how to create a tax code, how to create the input tax code and output tax code, both I told you in the last configuration C. So I went to the tax on sales and purchase configuration. I maintained the input tax and I also maintained the output tax. I told you how to put that tax category for both and how to linking and everything. So you are getting facing maybe error. I'll tell the solution for that, how to solve it later. So meanwhile, today what we'll do? Today we shall start with the next topic that is called customer invoices start today. It's a very important topic today what we are starting. So today what we are starting is very important topic that is called customer invoice. So what I will do now here we will sell a product to the customer. Hmm. So what I should do here now, here you start next topic that is called customer invoice. Here we sell the product to the customer. So here you get a three entries in one configuration. Okay, one is the FB70. I'll book one invoice, that is receipt invoice. Then I will go for FBL5N and I will check the display of the bill and I'll go and clear the payment F28. Okay, so what will happen here now? The invoice booking will come here now. So first I'll go for FB70 and I'll go and book the invoice, that is called receipt of invoice. Then I will go to FBL5 and I will check the bill of what invoice I posted. Then I'll go and clear the payment in F28. Okay, so these three particular things you'll get in one particular SAP under the invoice. Okay, now where I should go? I need to go for FB70 to book the customer invoice in SAP system. Hmm. So where I should go and do this configuration now under the FB70. So let us go to SAP and this is all end user activity. Okay, it is end user activity. Let us go to FB70 and go and book the invoice. So my company code was, it was TA66, correct? So I'll go to SAP. Let us do it in SAP system. So we'll log into SAP. So where you should go for this? To do this entry you want to post, go for accounting, then go for financial accounting, and then go for here accounts receivable, and then go for here document entry, and then go for here FB70 invoice. You should go here. So FB70 invoice is the where I'll be booking my customer invoice. Okay, so you need to go for that. So what you do, go to FB70, enter here. So once you go here, then this is how the invoice looks like. Now what you got to do here now, you got to change the company code. What is the company code? It is showing here TA25 is showing you here. Correct. So what is my company code? It is TA66. Correct. I gotta change the company code TA66. So once I change my company code, then what happen here? System will ask me to select a customer. Which customer are you posting this invoice? So click on the search box here. Click on the search box here. Then give here the company code TA66. Correct? See here. You need to select here customers by company code. Then only you will be able to see the customers whatever you create in your company code. So give company code here and continue and see I have a 2 customers. Correct? I'll take first customer. I'll post the invoice for first customer. Then I'm gonna give the date on what date I'm posting entry. I'll take today's date. Here you get two options. Here you get two options. Posting date, invoice date. Posting date will come by default by SAP automatically. Invoice date should be today's date. Okay, invoice date can be today's date and past date. Don't try to take future date because it's a wrong entry. So I'll take current date. Then I'll give amount, how much amount of invoice you're booking. For example, I'll take like 50,000. Then I want to calculate the tax for this invoice because I already created tax code. Correct. So once I click on calculate tax, automatically all the customer details has come here. Then what you should do, under the text you should put here being goods sold to third party or being goods sold to customer account. Goods sold to the customer, third party, anything, any reason can take. I'll take being goods sold to third party. And after that, I'll select here GL account. GL account means what? What are you doing here? You're doing the sales. You're selling it. So what GL account will come here? Sales account will come. Click on the box here. Give here the company code and select here the sales account. 201. So this is gonna come here. Then after that, amount as a star. Star means what? This amount will copy here. Okay. Then after that, you need to press tab again. You'll go to the tax codes here. Okay, star means what? This amount will copy down here and here into specify tax code. Okay, which tax code should I specify now here? Output tax code, the one which I created. So what is my output tax code? It is 60. You can copy from here, you can paste it here, otherwise you can find it from here also. You can just click on this and you can find it from here. See, 60 is here. See, this is 60. You can search and give or directly give, doesn't matter. So I'll take 60 here. And after this, what you can do, tab, text as a plus. Text as a plus means this text will copy here. And after giving this much of detail, now click on stimulate entry. Okay, stimulate means before posting entry, we check it. So once I click on stimulate here, now system will show me, see, this is the customer, 01 is the invoice posting key, credit says auto tax credits automatically has come. So this is how the total bill. Now click on post. So once you post here, now system will tell you document 101 was posted in company code TA66. That means my invoice got posted. Now this invoice I want to check, display it. Check means it is called display. Just 2 minutes, guys. I'm getting call. 2 minutes. Hello. Hello. Bolo. घर में जब टीवी का रिचार्ज था बाजू में छे वो अपना होते दुकान के तरफ है तो ये वो इनके प्लेस जागो बोलो तो मैं थाके कराना पड़ा देखो जो तो ये डीटीएच નું હા ફોન કરજો બ્રો ક્લાસ સમજી જરા સારી ફોન કરું છું બોલો સારી કામ છે તો કામ છે Yeah, so sorry for that. So see, what I was telling you, document was posted in company code TA66. So it got posted here. So once this document got posted here, now I want to check this bill, what I got posted here. To check a bill, where I should go, I need to go to this transaction code FBL5. Okay, for customer displays. This is where we're going to go and check that entry what I have posted. It comes under FBL5. So what I'll do here now, I will take this back. Okay, you can directly type here /n FBL5. You can go like this also. Otherwise, you want a path for that. A path comes under here. Account FBL fine display change line item can go here. So once you double click on this, then system will ask you company code. Select company code is here. Give the company code here and select here the customer. Which customer you are doing it. So there are two customers are there here. I want to check first customer because I posted invoice for this customer. Then, as I told you earlier, you get a three selection here. One is called open item and the called item line all item. I told you already, open item means the item which are balanced or which are yet to be settled, they come under open. Cleared item is after clearing, they come under clearing. All item is both open plus clearing. Now I want to check all item of this company code of this customer. Now what I'll do, I'll click on execute. Okay. This customer, I'll execute. Now once I execute, system will show me how much entry and what is the reportings here. 50,000 of invoice, document number is 101. And you guys already know where this number came from. Ready? You have assigned a DR document type. DR document stands for custom invoice. Correct? You assigned a 0 to number to this. 0 to range was 101 to 200. So what number came here? 101. Correct, and 50,000 invoice has been done, and it is in red. Red means you can see the 4 strokes are there here. This is under the open. Open means it is not yet cleared. Okay, now I want to go and clear this payment. So where do I go and clear this payment now? To clear the payment, you need to go for here F-28 for incoming payments. Now I need to go for F-28 and I need to go and clear this payment which is under the open. Correct. To clear a payment, what I'll do, I'll keep the screen like this. To clear this payment, I will keep the screen like this. I'll open another screen here. Then I will go for here accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, document entry. Then here it comes F-28 incoming payment. It should go. Okay, so go to F-20 incoming payment. Go here. Once you go here, then what do you need to give document date? I'll take 020. Then company code will come out of it TA66, period is 12 and everything currency has comes here. Okay, document type came DZ. What is DZ means? It's called customer payment. Okay. And the invoice which I posted was customer invoice DR. Correct. So now what I'll do, I'll put a document header text as here, cash received. Cash received from customer. Either cash or bank, you can get a payment from the customer. So I'll take cash received from customer, cash received from customer. And what I'm receiving now, I'm receiving cash. So select here cash code. Click on this, give the company code here, continue. And what will come here, say cash code. One is the cash code. How much amount you are receiving? 50,000. 50,000. Same again here, cash received from customer. Then you need to select your account. Account means which customer are you receiving it? Click on the box here. Continue. Which customer is that? It is first one. 3999910. 3999910. Same. So you got to select that customer. Then you got to select here document number. So what is this document number basically means? It is called selection. What is selection actually? It is asking you how you want to clear that invoice payment. Okay, how you want to clear this invoice payment? I want to clear this invoice payment with the help of document number because already I have a document number here. See. Correct. So what I'll do here now, after giving this much of detail, now click on process open items. Now once you click on process open item, system will ask you the document number. What is the document number? 1011010. Give here that document number and again click on process open items. Correct. So once I click on process open item, you will see 50 amount entered, 50 amount assigned, balance is 0. That means amount invoice was 50, how much you're clearing 50, balance is 0. This is a full payment. So basically this is a full payment. Now click on post. So once you post, system will give you document 201 was posted in company code TA66. Another document number came. Now go and check. Now I'll go here, I'll go to list and refresh. Correct? Now once I refresh, now you will see the difference. Cleared, clear. 50 plus, 50 minus. Sold to third party, receipt. And you can check it in detail. Double click on this. Click here on third option. See, this payment is done by cash. See, 40 cash account debit. 215 is a posting key. Or what is 15 posting key? It is called customer credit incoming payments. Yes. So this is how we do full payment in SAP. It is called full payment. Making full invoice, displaying the bill, full payment later.
It means that customer account is debited and the company's account credited.
Yes, correct. Customer account debited and the company's account credited. Because it is incoming payment. No, incoming means it's coming to the company from the customer. This is a full payment what I showed you. Got it clear? Is any other doubts anyone has with this? Before I go to standard half payment. Got it? Ashish, are you clear with it? Your doubt?
The account in both the places we have take cash, right?
Yes. We have taken the cash actually. Okay. Cash received from a customer I taken. I selected the cash account over here. See, I can see the GL account. See. Cash account 2. And the invoice was this. This was the invoice. This was the invoice. Sales. Sales invoice. Then cash receipt. Any other doubt, Ashish?
No.
Okay. Then what I'll do after this much is done, next I'll go with the standard half payment. I'll go next. So what is standard half payment means? See, the difference amount we get, that we put it here. Basically, you are doing now. I'll do and show you. Now you need to do an invoice of 50,000. I'll do. In that I'll clear 25,000 and 25,000 I'm getting difference amount. Suppose. Okay, so that is called here standard half payment. I'll do and show you. So how to do that? First I'll go in. For this, what I should do to show you this one, I need to go and book the invoice. So what I'll do, I'll go for AP70. I'll select the same customer, same date, amount. I'll take 60,000 instead of 50. I will click on calculate tax and I'll put here being goods sold to third party. And here 201 sale, amount star, tax code, text as a plus. Then everything same. I click on stimulate, save. This is everything is same. 102. Now go and refresh and check here. See 102, 60,000. Now this 60, I want to clear 30,000 as a standard half payment. I want to do 30,000. So where do I go to clear this half amount payment now? I need to go for same F-28. Okay, same we should go for /n F-28. There here will go. Then we give the date. And you put here cash received I'll take. One is the cash. How much I want to clear? I want to clear 30,000. Only 60. Again, cash from customer. Then I got to select here account. Account means which customer. So I'll select here. I have a 2. I'll take first one. Sorry, first one I'll take. I'll take first. Correct? So after that, I need to select document number here and press open it. So once I select document, once I click on press open item, the system will ask me document number. What's the document number? It is 102. Give 102. Again, click on process. Now once I process, see. Now what is happening here? In 60, 30 is the you are clearing. 30 is the remaining balance is there. Correct. So when you try to save, system will not save. It will tell you the difference is too large for clearing. That means unless until this is not a 0, you cannot save the entry. So if I try to save. Now what happened now? In the standard, you are doing standard payment. You got this difference amount. Okay. Now what you do? You double click here. See, double click. You put that amount in difference posting and then you click on save. So once you try to save, system will ask you like this. See, in 60 you are clearing 30, 30 is the remaining balance. Okay, you might get it, you might not get it. It depends upon the system to system. Otherwise, it is saved directly. Now I got it. Now what I'll do? I will double click on this. The blue, what has it done into blue? I'll double click on this. I'll put here. Now I'll save it. Now go and check there. See, 30 is the remaining balance. Ready? That is the remaining balance. Can you see that full 60 gone here and 30 came into remaining balance. Now you want to see how this 30 came here. Double click on this. Click here on this third option. You can see 60,000 was the total amount of invoice of the customer. In the 30 has been cleared. Remaining balance is 30. Now this 30, I want to clear again 15,000. $202. Now again I will process. Okay, now I'll double click here. Again I'll post. Again I'll double click here and I'll put here I'm clearing half payment and I'll see. Now go and check again here. You will be able to see 15 is the balance. Correct. Now this 15, I'll clear this 15 full now. I'll make balance as a 0. Say. Final amount settlement is doing 203. That is a document number. So process it. Now say balance is 0. Correct. Now click on post. Now go and check the entry. You will be able to see what will happen here. Hello. 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 Kabala. I keep connection. कौड़ो गले से ये हम क्लास में चलो जरा चक्कर ना पासिव चक्कर जोड़ो हाँ one just second guys just 2 minutes just 2 minutes आई जो एक रुपया जा yeah, so what I was telling, see here, this is the scenario. Can you see the scenario here? So now I clear that final payment 15,000 is here. Now you want to check this, double click on this, click here, you'll be able to see. Ready? You'll be able to see 15. Ready? 15. So this is how full payment last I have done. So this is how we do the standard half payment.
Can you go back, please?
Here it is.
Yeah. First time when we clear half payment, then that time 60. Why it is there that cash received from customer 60,000, but that is not the case. First time we only cleared 30.
And that one I'm telling you, this is not a partial I'm doing. Okay, it is not a partial payment what you're asking me. This is standard payment. In standard half payment, what will happen is full amount will go into the clearing, remaining balance issue under the open. This is standard half payment. Okay. Full payment will go into the clearing, remaining balance will issue under the open. Now if the business want to check exactly, then what they do, they double click on this and they check here what was the remaining balance was there. Say 30 in 60 30 was there. In 60 30 was there, 30 was the remaining balance. Then again how much cleared in 30? See, it is showing 30 again, it is showing here. Again how much you cleared under this 30? Again you cleared here 15. That 15 is again showing here.
And what is about just please go inside it.
Where are you telling me?
Yeah, please go inside it.
Nothing. 15 full.
No, not of every that account is one that just go back once.
Under this, you're telling me under this, which one?
Anyone you can go inside that overview.
Yeah, here it is.
Yeah. In this, I want to know that posting key 40 and what is about 06 that
06 posting key, basically it tells you here the customer debit payment difference amount which you got.
payment
Okay.
difference.
Difference because it's a payment difference only, correct? No, see 30 you're clearing 15 and 15 is the remaining difference amount.
Okay.
But it was same, it is showing that only as a difference amount here, and that only what I cleared again 15 here. Now there is no middle posting keys here, full clearing. Ready? And the last balance. Ready? So this is called standard half payment. Now what I show you partial payment. Here you will understand what I was asking, what you are telling. It is very easy. So partial payment, what we do, we make a part payment like installment one by one. Okay, so I'll do and show you partial payment. So for this, what I should do, I need to go and book the invoice. Correct. So what I'll do first, I'll make one invoice for this. To show you how it will work. So what I'll do, I'll book invoice of 80,000. Sold to third party. 201 sale amount start tax code text as a plus. Then click on stimulate and post. Now go and check the entry. You'll be able to see 80,000. So this 80, I want to clear now. I want to clear now 20, 20, 20, 24 times. Okay. So what I'll do now, I'll go to first to the clearing. Now see what I'll do. F dash 28, I'll go here. I'm going to give the date. I'll put here cash received. I'll put here first installment. One cash account 20,000. One is a cash account. I'm using 20,000. I'll put same first number received here, and I'll select here the account. Account means which particular customer receiving from the first customer. Document number, press open item. Everything same. Okay. Now document number is 103. 103. Now click on press open item. Now see what will happen. Now once I click on press open item, now what to do? Go to the partial payment here. Okay, now go to the partial payment here and double click on this payment amount. Double click here. Ready? So you need to go for partial payment and double click here. So 8 out of 20 is going now. Now click on post. Is receiving. Post. Post it. Now go and check the difference. Now see. Now once I click on refresh here, now what will happen? You see. 20 got minus. It is still under open. See. In 80, 20 got minus. What is remaining balance? 60. Huh? It is showing remaining balance is 60,000 rupees there. Hello. Hello. 10-15 minute bro class over band hai. So can you see 8 out of 20, 60 is the remaining balance. Got it, guys? Understanding what is happening here? Partial payment, it is getting deducted under that open only. So it is still under open. Okay, unless until customer doesn't pay the full amount, we put it under the open only still. Now again I'll go and clear again 20,000. I'll put here. One zero three. Press open item, go to partial payment, double click here, again post. Now again go and check what is the remaining balance will be now 40. Okay. Now again what I'll do? Again I'll clear the 20,000. See, double click, post. Now go and check refresh here, setting. So what is happening here? 80, 20, 20, 20. This was the first installment. You can change here. You can put here first installment received. Then this is the second, and this is the Correct? Now refresh here. So first, second, third. Okay, first number received, second received, third is received. Now it is all under open because still 20,000 is pending of the customer. So now what will happen? Now customer will decide to pay the final 20,000 amount. Okay, customer decide to pay the final 20,000 amount, and this all what are open are they should come under the clearing. Correct? Now 20, 20, 20 is there, right? So after the 20,000, customer pays 20,000 extra now. This all open should come under clearing. So what I'll do for this, I'll go to the here and I'll give the 20. Now what I'll do, see, I'll put here final installment 20,000. Here final amount settlement same. This customer, now I won't select a document number here. Okay, if you select document number here, then you should specify this all document number from here to here. Otherwise, what you just keep it none and directly process it. Okay, now see in 80, first 20 was received, then 20 was received. Now again how much you received? 20. Now what is the remaining balance? What is again you're clearing? 20. Now what is the remaining balance? 0. In 80, first 20 gone, 20 gone, 20 gone, again 20 is going last installment. Balance is 0. Now once I save, see what will happen. Okay, now once I refresh here, this all red will go to the clearing and the final amount will be settled as a 0. See. Ready? All came under clearing. See this much, you can see this much. 80 minus 20 minus 20 minus 20 minus 20. Final amount settlement is done. Yes, got it guys, everyone? Anyone has any doubts?
Document type, how it is decided that automatically it comes, it's document type, or we have to select particularly?
Document type will come here. What I have selected, see here, it will come automatic. Okay, document type will come automatically by default by system, and I already told you that in SAP standard document types are 5-6 are there. Some 5-6. SA I already showed you SA, and customer invoice is DR, customer payment is DZC. Now whatever invoice I have done, they all came in DR, DRC. Whatever payment I have done, they all came in DZ.
Okay.
So that will come automatically by default by system, and that is the way of understanding what is this entry. Okay, and I told you already that you can create this by your own also, can take by your own also for this, but SAP recommends to use a standard document type. Right? If you customize something new, then it is hard to find a solution for that. Then after the partial payment is done, the next comes lastly residual payment. So what is residual payment? You can tell like lump sum amount you are paying. You can tell it like lump sum amount clearing, you can tell. So the lump sum amount what we clear, that is called residual payment. Like at the one shot, the customer is paying 50, 20, 30,000, and he want to clear that payment. He don't want to keep it invoice pending. Okay. So now what I'll do to show you residual payment, I will go and see residual payment and the standard half payment both are same. There is no difference between this and this. Both are almost same. So what I'll do, I'll go and do the residual payment now. To do the residual payment, what I'll do, I need to first book the invoice. So go here, give the date, and how much invoice will I book? I'll book the invoice of 90,000. Starting 201 sale amount start tax code text as a plus. Then click on stimulate and post it. So once you post it, system gonna show you 104 document number. Now go here, list and refresh. See 90,000 is there. Correct. So in this 90, I want to clear now 40,000. Okay, as a lump sum, customer is clearing lump sum amount. He's paying he's paying 40,000, half of that. So that I need to clear by which one? By this ratio payment. So where I'll go for this? I'll take it back. I'll go to the F-28 here. Then I need to give a date. So I'll put here receiving 40,000. 40,000 I'm receiving. Now I want to receive this customer and document number and click on process open item. So once I click on process open item, system will ask me document number. What is the document number I need to give here now? 104 give here and again click on process. So once I again click on process, you will be able to see in 90, 40 I'm clearing. So go to residual item now. See in a standard what you do, in a standard you double click here, you put in difference posting this one. In partial payment what you do, you double click here and 40 will go to the and 50 will show the remaining balance. It will get minus below that. Now I'll go to the residual item here. So go to residual item and double click here. See, that means in 90, 50 is going, remaining balance is 40. Sorry, 40 is going, remaining balance is 50. In 90, okay, you are clearing 40, okay, remaining balance is 50. Now click on post. Now once you post, see the last thing. Double click on this, put here, lump sum amount has been received and post it. Now go and check the entry, you will be able to see 50 is the remaining balance. 50 is the remaining balance and the 90 got cleared here, see 90 minus. Now you want to check in depth in this, double click on this, click here on this third option, you'll see 90 out of 40 is cash received, 50 is the remaining balance. So lump sum you paid 40,000. So this is 50,000. Now again in this 50, I want to clear 25,000. First open item, go to residual item, double click here and post it. Now double click here, cash lump sum amount received, again save it. Now refresh and check here, you'll be able to see 25,000 remaining balance. Okay. Now I'll clear the full and I'll make balance as a 0. 210 cross open item. See now if the balance is 0, you can clear it from standard only. No need to go for partial ratio here. Okay, if the balance is 0, you can do it from the standard only here, not directly save it. 211. Correct. Now go and check the entry. 0. In 90 first 50 received, in 50 again 25. So this is how we do the residual. And these both are same, this and this, almost all the same. Okay, the difference posting that standard half payment, why we do the standard half payment only when we do like the reason because if you want to keep something under the difference posting, that time we do it. And residual payment is like just like lump sum amount what to clear. So once this much is done, okay. So has everyone got it? Any doubts? Anyone has with this?
The amount deducted, that screen, can you go once again? Show me this screen. First 90 I can understand, but first time we have cleared 40, so why then it is showing second time? I think we have cleared
remaining balance 40. See, 25 is here. The second time we cleared here under this 90, you can see here we have cleared 40 in 90.
Yeah, we have cleared 40. Okay.
50 is the remaining balance.
So it is showing the 50. Okay, it is showing the 50 outside.
Remaining balance is here.
Okay.
It is showing here. Below that. So again in 50, how much I cleared? I cleared 25. So that 25 is showing over down again here. Again in 25, I cleared full 25. So there is no difference here, middle.
Okay.
That is zero balance. Okay, everything can be done, and you want like how much you clear, that much should be shown. It is here. See what I showed you, the partial payment. This one. 80, 20 minus 20 minus 20 minus 20 minus here. Final amount settlement. The one which you're asking, you want to see, you can do like this. This kind of things. What I done here, this is lump sum amount clearing at a time, and this is called partial clearing. And the first one what I showed you, if we get any difference amount, getting like a word of mouth was like your management told you that in 50 you should clear a 50 full, but suppose you got something difference amount that you put here. So that time we use this standard half payment. We got some difference amount, we put in difference posting, because unless until it is not a zero, it doesn't say SAP. That is the reason we use this one. And these two are which are highestly used. This and this is highestly used in the all across the end users. So this is called the standard half payment, partial payment, residual payment. Then we have same to same parking, holding, and a reversal. Okay, you already know this thing. In general ledger accounting level, you already done general ledger GL. How to park and how to repost, how to hold and repost. Why we do parking in SAP? We cannot read the entry. We park it, then we repost. In invoice level also we can do that. So what I'll do, I'll go to FB70 and I'll park and show you an entry. I'll repost it here. So what I'll do for this, I'll take it back. I go to the here. We can do parking from here, and the special T code for parking is this. I'll do it from here. I'll do the parking from here. So go here. Okay. So once you go here, then company code has come. Select the customer, same customer. So I'm going to select here the first customer, and after that, what you got to do? You got to give the invoice date 02/00/2023. Then you got to give the amount. I take amount of how much shall I park? I'll park 50,000 of invoice. I'll calculate tax. Same, you got to do everything. You got to apply being goods sold to the third party. You got to take, and here 201 sales, and here amount as a star, and here as a tax code, and here text as a plus. You got to take this much of detail. Now click on park. Now once you click on park here, now what will happen? System will show you like this. Document 105 TA66 was parked here. Ready? It has been parked, it has not yet posted. So now this park entry, what I have done, I want to check it. So where I'll go for checking it, I'll go back to the same display screen. I'll take this back, and I need to tick here this parked item and execute. It is showing 50,000. Now this 50,000, what is there here now? This 50,000, I want to clear it now. The 50,000 what I posted, I want to clear it. Okay, like repost it. I want to repost. I can call clear everything. So to repost this, what I will do here now? To repost this particular pack document, I will go to the transaction code FV70. Can do it from here also. So what I'll do here now, I'll go to the here. I take this back. Here, tree on it. Okay, tree on it. Then what you do? Open this pack document. Open this pack document and double click on this. Open the pack document, double click on this and tree off. Now see, you want, you can edit anything. Now here you want, you can edit 105 say. And what you can do, you can edit it. Suppose I want to edit this third party to first party I want to give. Okay, and I want to post it. Now go and check the entry. This yellow will become red and this third party will become first party. This is how we do. This is called parking. And this parking we can repost it from here also. I already posted from here. We can repost that one from here also. Document, park a document from FBV0. We can repost from here. You can go here. You can find that park a document which you already done. Okay, you can enter and you can check here. It is shown here. So that also you can do, like that also you can do, but not required. We can do it from here. The only one way is more than enough. So this we can do parking at the customer invoice level also. Same to same we do the holding of invoice under FB70. So holding where we do it from same FB70. Go here and give the date, invoice date, amount, and calculate tax, being would sold to third party, says first party, third party, whatever you want, and click on hold. So once you hold, system will ask you temporary document number. You need to specify temporary document, any document number you can give here, and what you can do, you can click on hold. Now the whole document doesn't show you here. To repost whole document, just go to Treon here and open this header document and double click on this and tree off it. See, you can edit whatever you want. You can also delete it. You can also park it. You can also post it. I already told you this in the general ledger level. Now what I'll do, directly post it. Ready? Now go and check the entry. It will be displaying you over here. Then after that comes lastly reversal. Reversal why we do? If any entry is wrongly posted, directly posted, then we can reverse. So I will reverse and show you this document 106. To reverse it, where we go? We go to here to the document, reverse FB08. Go here and give the document number. What is document number? It is 106, and select here the reversal reason. I already told you these things all. If I'm going fast, please let me know. I'll tell slow also. Because you already done this. You already done this thing in GL level. Same to same it is. Only thing is customer part. So reversal reason will be current period. Okay, I also told you current period, close period. Correct? I told you what is current period. Current period means on what date the entry is posted, that date only get reverse. The invoice. And if you select reversal in close period, then your date you can give to reverse what date you want to reverse. I'll take current period. Now click on display before reversal. This is the entry. Now I'll take it back and I will post it. Now go and check the entry. Now list and refresh. So once I refresh, see. Document type came AB. See. This is the reverse document type for this document type. For document type DR, the reverse document type is AB. So can you see 50 minus 50 minus 50 plus 99 99 document. It will become ulta. You can double click and check. So what happened here? See, the posting key is 12. 12 means what posting key? See, customer credit reverse invoice. And what was the actual entry? The actual entry was 01 was there. What is 01? Customer debit, correct. Customer debit is the invoice, and credit is the sales output tax. Now what happened here? Debit is sales and output tax, and the customer credit invoice. Reverse. So this is how we do this, all the configuration from here to here. Now I will convert this into Excel sheet. List, export, spreadsheet format. I'll put it in Excel format. I'll say it on desktop. Desktop, I'll put a file name as a report or company code. TA66, date is 02/03/2023. On desktop, I will save it. I will allow it. I will. Yes, clear guys, everyone? Anyone has any doubt with this? Has everyone got clearly with this? It needs a practice. I'm gonna tell you one thing. It needs a practice. Unless until you don't practice it, you won't get it. जब आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे तब आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. That is a very difference. Like आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है कंपलसरी, तभी आपको समझ में आएगा steps. Okay, otherwise you are not able to catch these things. Yes, clear? Ajay, Ashish, Hafsa, Nisha, Salma, everyone.
So please do the configuration for the
Yes,
output
sir.
in text so that we can.
No, no, that I'll tell. This part is clear, no? This part.
Yes.
This part is clear, no? Okay. Okay, then let us come to your. I will log into your server. Wait. I'll log into your server. What I got to know when you shared the error screenshot when you shared, that time only I got to know what someone has done. See what happened in your server when you're trying to find the account key here. When you're going here and when you're trying to find the MWS here, there is no MWS here. Why? Because in your server, I don't know who the people are. They deleted the standard settings in the system. What is that? Okay. So what to do that? How to do that one? You don't do it. I'll create and give you. So how to create that? Basic setting and go to here, check and change settings for tax processing. Find VST is there already. See, VST is already there here currently. Correct. So what I'll do? I'll put here MWS. Okay, and I'll tell you these things. This is a standard setting actually. I don't know who the people have deleted it. Okay, I will tell you this at a time of GST. I have a separate topic called GST. That time I'll tell you this one. And let me check everything. Wait, I don't know if these people have deleted the standard settings, everything. Okay, this is correct. Okay, now you go and find. Now you'll get it. And see, I will tell you one thing. In your server, I think this is a multiple user server. So many people are using this server. I think so, because you are not the only batch is going on in this server. There are many people are there who are using this server. That is the reason what happens, they keep changing and you keep changing. So what you do, if your tax is not displaying here, your things are not displaying. Okay, if your tax or things are not displaying, just go to this financial accounting global setting and go to the step tax on sales and purchase here and go to basic setting here and go to here assign country to calculation procedure. Go here and click on position and find country India. Okay, and what you do, you assign here tax SG. Sometimes it will be like this, something. So it will be like this. You remove this one and give here tax SG because we are into this procedure. Okay, so we are doing setting in this procedure. Just assign this one here, give this one and save, enter. That's it. Now go and check. Now your account key has come. Now check. See, it has come. What is the chart of accounts? What is the company code, Ashish? Your company code?
BC01.
No?
1.
Your chart of account is TB0C. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So give chart of accounts and continue. Now you can do your configurations. Your tax code, output tax code?
It is 60 only.
60 only, same I taken. Okay. Then here I'll link as a GL account output tax. Output tax is here. See. Done. Actually, it is not your mistake. In your server, some people are deleted standard, and I can show you how many users are using the server right now.
One more
You can
thing
go.
that in calculation, if you go in calculation, just in calculation also define tax code for sales and purchases. There I am not getting that thing. If I go in my tax code, first T6 for input. This is NVV,
Okay.
non-deductible tax.
No. Okay. I will change this one. So this is why even these people have changed this one in a procedure. I don't know why do they come and touch this thing. Hmm? I'll tell you these things. These things I'll tell you in GST topic. Now you can go and check. Now your standard will be there.
Okay.
हेलो बोलो सर क्या बोला ये तो गड़बड़ करता जो कैश दियो मनी ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ करता फोन कर जो क्लास है this minute. See, done no. We got this much you got to do. Well, okay. So this much you got to do. So now you are able to see all the tax configuration. And I will tell you these things, everything in GST topic, don't worry. Now I'm just showing you a simple tax code, so you should not get confused because tax configuration is very deep. Okay, if I tell you inclusive, exclusive, GST, condition type, account key, procedure, you will not do it easily. So it's too advanced. I'm just telling you as per your understanding. So you can understand easily. So I'm teaching you like that as per understanding. Okay, so this is now your tax code is ready. Now do whatever you want. Okay, and your tax input output tax, and see when you create tax code. Okay, when you create tax code here, if it doesn't show input and like if it doesn't show like this, what you do? Go to /NOBBG. Go here. Okay, go to /NOBBG. Go here and position country India, assign tax SG here. I already showed you this thing.
Yes.
Assign country tax, that is a direct transaction code, shortcut transaction code for that. And save. Then you do your configuration, everything will work fine as required.
Okay.
Anything else? Doubts, guys? Anyone? I hope only Ashish is doing the practice. How about Ajay, Hafsan, Nishan, Salma? You guys are practicing, and Rajat is not attending the classes. I don't know why. Yes, how about Ajay and Hafsa, Nisha, Salma? You guys, until where you practiced everything? कहाँ तक आपने practice किया है last?
सर मैंने तो बताया आपको इस वीक का नहीं हो पाया जैसे ड्यू टू एग्जाम सर.
अच्छा तो अभी आप स्टार्ट कर लीजिए, ज्यादा गैप मत लीजिए. हाँ,
यस सर. यस.
प्रैक्टिकली जब करोगे तभी समझ में आएगा, तभी एरर आएगा. जब एरर आएगा, जब सॉल्व करोगे तभी सीखोगे. मैं सिखाते जा रहा हूँ, आप वीडियो देखते जा रहे हैं, बाद में प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे तो कुछ फायदा नहीं है सीख के. मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको.
राइट सर.
आप जब तक प्रैक्टिकली ऑन हैंड नहीं करोगे तब तक कोई चीजें समझ में नहीं आएंगे. करेक्ट ना? आप गाड़ी कैसे लोग चलाते देख के तो पता चल जाएगा, लेकिन जब आप गाड़ी चलाओगे तभी पता चलेगा कि कैसे चलाना है.
यस सर.
करेक्ट ना? उसमें से 1-2 बार गिरोगे, करेक्ट ना, किसी को जाके डालोगे गाड़ी, करेक्ट ना,
आई विल प्रैक्टिस
तभी
सर.
सीखोगे ना.
राइट सर.
तभी सीखोगे ना. राइट इंडिकेटर लगा के लेफ्ट मुड़ जाओगे, करेक्ट ना, तभी सीखोगे ना. तो वही तो हम बताएंगे आपको कैसे कब इंडिकेटर का कहाँ पे लगाना है, कैसे घूमना है, तो वो स्लोली समझ में आएगा. ठीक है.
ओके.
तो हाउ अबाउट अदर पीपल? निशा तो रेस्पॉन्ड कर रही है, हफ्सा, सलमा एंड अजय, आपका क्या है? वेयर आर यू गाइस एट? आई एम ऑडिबल टू यू गाइस? आप तो अनम्यूट करके बैठे हो, बात ही नहीं कर रहे हो.
From past,
हाँ,
like last
हाँ,
week, I
हाँ.
have to practice.
लास्ट वीक तो कहाँ तक आपका प्रैक्टिस हुआ है? लास्ट किधर तक हुआ है?
Like today also I was practicing.
Okay. You're unmuted. Your voice is coming half. You are speaking and unmuting yourself. And until where you are done, at least you started the practicing or no? Not yet.
Yeah, started, sir.
Started now. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. No problem. Then you do it. Okay. How about Hafsa and Ajay? You guys. आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो हफ्सा आपका क्लियर है पूरा
Yesterday's I should practice, sir.
Yesterday's you practice. Okay, that means until tax configuration, until tax configuration is pending only. Tax is pending.
Yes,
No?
sir.
Okay, fine. That's nice then. How about Ajay? You not yet started? Huh? Yes, Ajay, I think you are muted. Huh? Otherwise, I think you went offline. He kept on class join. He left offline, I guess. Okay, fine then, guys. Then okay, then fine, guys. See you guys on the Monday. Okay, you want me to take tomorrow class or you want to continue on Monday?
On Monday, sir. Because sir, मुझे पहले का clear करना पूरा.
Okay. How about other people? Monday or tomorrow?
From Monday, sir.
Monday is fine because I want
From
to
Monday.
cover the GL ones because I'm still confusing some
Okay.
which is crediting, which is a
Okay.
credit and debit.
Okay, fine, no problem. Then you take your time. So Monday I will start with the vendor invoice, same to same. How you have done customer, same to same. I'll tell you Monday on the vendor part. Okay. So no problem. That is until here, guys. See you guys on the Monday, everyone. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Have a good weekend. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Bye.